Imagine leading a virtual meeting where every participant feels engaged, heard, and productive. Mastering breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams can make this happen. Here's your step-by-step guide to using breakout rooms like a pro. First, start your meeting in Microsoft Teams. Locate the breakout room icon at the top of the meeting window. One click opens the feature. Create rooms based on your team's needs. Set up 2, 5, or 10 rooms, whatever suits your agenda. Assign participants automatically for quick distribution, or choose manually for more control. Just select names and place them in specific rooms. Open the rooms. Participants are notified and can join with a single click. While they're in breakout rooms, jump in and out, check progress, and send announcements to all groups. When it's time to regroup, close the breakout rooms. Everyone returns to the main meeting effortlessly. Review insights, gather feedback, and move forward together. To truly use breakout rooms like a pro, prepare questions or topics beforehand, use timers, and rotate facilitators so every voice is heard. Breakout rooms unlock team creativity and collaboration. With practice, your meetings will go from mundane to brilliant. Ready to lead your next session like a pro? The tools are already in your hands. Take the first step today.